Oh, so it's awake. Anyways, I am gonna be playing Minecraft today. And this will be the first episode. Now, here's the thing. If this first recording is not the actual recording, because I die somehow in a very bad way, which I don't want to happen, I will just call it recording 1.1. And then the next recording will be recording 2.1. Then if that recording becomes successful, it will become recording 2.2. So if I just die, since I'm too lazy to recover, fuck. Anyways, I am recording. Anyways, now that I'm too lazy to get my items, I will just restart with another world. Yeah. Also, I have no avatar. I have no character. So, yeah, I'll be asking from the GC for avatar. Or whatever these weird blocky thingies are. Anyways, I'm playing. Create new worlds. Create on realm. What is that? 2. Yes. What? 173! Okay, no. No. How do I play this? Starting map, no. Bonus chest. Okay, I'm trash at this game. Don't judge me. Don't judge me, please. Anyways, I'm gonna be starting. I will hope that I will not die. And once that I'm finished from this recording, I will send it to the GC, which maybe you watch it. I don't know. I think I'm just talking to myself and slowly going insane. Yay. What the? Huh? No. What is this settings? Oh yeah, I also just downloaded this thing. It's not real Minecraft. One of my classmates sent it to me. So yeah, I don't know what I'm doing anymore. How do I play this? Yeah, there. Okay. D-pad. Yes. Camera sensitivity. Menu size. I'm just gonna crank that up. See what it'll do. Anyways, now. Time for me to... Wow! What the... Still hideous. No. It's still hideous. Let's see. Where is he? Ah, no. How do I do this? No. Hide hand, no. Hide paper, no. Outline. Okay, I don't know what I'm doing, honestly. Pocket, no. Classic. There. Extra large UI. How do I do this? Outline selection? No! Why is it like this? I think I'll just stop recording and just send it to the GC, cause I don't like it. Where is it? it good now? No. What? How do I do this? Is it here? I think this... Maybe? Fuck! Oh no! Oh shit! Shit! Okay, I'm just... How does this work? Ah. No, not that, not that. How? 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 Yes. Okay. No. Let? Maybe that? Yes, finally! What joystick? What do you mean joystick, Alex? And why is this so hard? No. There! Finally, it's big. Now, where's my chest? There, finally, I find my... What? I am very disappointed. Yeah, this feels like Minecraft. But seriously, why did they change the UI? Ah, forget about it. Let's see, Bob, there. Just let me play the game without pop-ups. Where the sheep at? Wait. What is that? Did I accidentally install mods? I think it's safe. There are no drowns. Anyways, off we go! I think I might have installed mods by accident. Yeah, I think I installed mods. Cause what the hell is this? It's like if hell went to Minecraft. Ooh, chest! Yay! Chest! I am not an arson, but I will take this food. Looks like melons. Anyway, time to murder some sheep. Keep this one away. I hope it was a normal sword, like a wood. Cause all I know, gold is very soft and very easy to break. So even if it looks bling and really cool or something, I don't know. No! Hell no! No! Alex, you are not telling me what to do! Ooh, a pig. Where are the sheep? Pig, I want to kill you, but I have nothing to do with. What? Oh, I accidentally. Fuck. I accidentally damaged it. Yeah, I'll keep that coordinates safe. Yeah. I will not lose that thing. You know what? I'll just end this. On coming our way. You know what? Yeah, I think that will be a good base. say what to do. Stop telling me to place this. Wait, what? I can finally break stuff without eating it? It's a miracle. Yay. This will be my house. The sun coming our way. And that will be the end of the first recording. Because I don't know what I'm doing. All I know is I can make a door. Yeah, I really don't know what I'm doing. Ooh. Interesting. This will be my door. And now time for me. Wait a minute. Did I hear sheep? Did I just hear sheep? Hold on. Sheep. Where are you? Sheep. I'm gonna eat you. Yeah, I think I'm just talking to myself. Oh, fuck. That will be the end of the day. I'm heading back home and I'm gonna die. I don't know how to survive. The fun coming my way. Fuck! Oh no! Okay, good thing that it died. Keep out. Okay.